Hi guys, welcome to this week's episode of MissPlanIt. We are so glad you could join us. This week we have a request from a community member and her name is Monique and she writes, "Hello MissPlanIt, hi Monique. I've been following your channel and desperately searching for ideas for my wedding. I was tasked at the last minute to create simple centerpieces for my destination wedding in Jamaica." Oh, that is gorgeous. We love Jamaica. "I want a nice clean look so it does not take away from the ocean view. Can you help me create something like this? Is it too simple for a wedding? Thanks so much for all that you do, Monique." First question, Monique. The answer is no, it is not too simple. I think when you're having destination weddings, the destination is your decor. So I'm going to not only show you how to create this centerpiece on a budget, I'm also going to show you how to create an accent centerpiece with it so that you can both have an economic wedding centerpiece and one that's going to complement the view and not take away from it. So, what are we waiting for? Let's get started with this week's episode, Summer Breeze Tall Wedding Centerpiece. All right, guys, let's get to it. So first I want to show you the accent centerpiece, and what I'm going to use is two vases from the Dollar Tree. One's a 9-inch, one's a 7-inch. I'm going to use some river rock also from the Dollar Tree. We're just going to fill the river rock about 1/4 of the way from the bottom, fill it with water about 1/4 of the way up, and go ahead and put that floating candle. All of these pieces come from the Dollar Tree. This next one is just kind of cool. We're just taking a fern stem, placing it in between the rocks so it stabilizes it, and then filling it up with water. I love to have a tip of the stem coming out of the vase so that it gives the impression that it is an actual live plant. So our last one is with a 12-inch vase. Now they don't sell these at the Dollar Tree, but don't worry, I have a link for it. And I'm going to wrap the inside of the vase with two of my fern stems. And because they have wire in them, they will stay in place, they won't move. And so it just looks like you have a floating fern terrarium. Adding that floating votive candle to the top, also from the Dollar Tree, just creates a stunning look for $5. It's just, you can't beat it. You just simply can't beat it. So this option can stand alone, but guess what? I'm going to show you how to create that inspiration picture also. So let's get to that one. For our inspiration picture, we're using a 20-inch vase and we're going to have to trim down a 5 and 8-inch foam disc down to fit the 5-inch opening of our vase. And then it's simply, we're applying our palm stems, about 12 to 16 of them, and then we're going to continue from there. Another great part of this centerpiece is that typically the venues for your weddings, for destinations, have various size vases that they allow you to either use or rent from them. So all you would have to bring would be the votive candles, the ferns, the foam, and the rocks. And even with the rocks, you should be able to ship them to your resort ahead of time, saving you the trouble and the headache of traveling with them, because been there, done that, you don't want to go there. Well, I hope you guys liked this episode. Monique, I hope we created a vision that you can use for your beautiful destination wedding. If you have any comments or questions, please go ahead and drop them right in that comment section. I answer them myself. It does take me a minute, but we have a fantastic community that is more than willing to help you with your questions. If you want to hang out with us some more, head on over to our social media, and that would be Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and don't forget Pinterest. And if you have not already signed up for your Rakuten account, formerly known as Ebates, I don't know what you're waiting for. I think this time in our country, we can all use all the discounts we can get. Head on down to the description, click on the link, sign on for your account, create your account. When you're ready to shop, sign on to your account, make your qualified purchases, and receive a check at the end of the month. It is really that simple. Well guys, our time has come to an end. It always goes by so fast, but before we go, we want to remind you, if you haven't checked out our website, MissPlanIt.com, please head on over there. You can click right there in the corner on that little icon, and it'll take you right over there. On our website, you will find more cost-saving tips, especially for those destination weddings. We have a wonderful blog post that can help you in a lot of different ways. In addition to that, we have some great instructions, both picture and written instructions for most of our projects. And we also have a resource library that is free, as well as our project request tab. If you have a project that you would like us to try to help you with, head on over to our website, MissPlanIt.com, click on the project request tab, follow the very simple steps, and our team will get back to you as soon as possible if we are able to help you. Now remember, our schedule fills up so fast, so it's better for you to do it sooner than later. I can tell you right now, our schedule is full all the way until October, but we have a few spots left coming up to the end of the year. Well guys, we want to thank you so much for spending this time with us. We know you have so many options on YouTube, so we do not take it lightly that you choose to hang out with us here at MissPlanIt. Again, take care of yourself. We will see you soon. God bless.